Yes guys, what is going on? In this video we're going to have a look at the Hyundai 52cc Petrol Strimmer. Here we're going to unbox it, build it, test it and see if it's actually any good. And I'll tell you right at the end of the video whether I think it's worth 98 British pounds. Alright, let's put this thing together. So I'm going to start off by loosening this section here. I'm loosening it off with an Allen key, which came in the pack. Now I'm going to be able to slot in the handles on the left and the right. I'm going to put these in an upright position. And when you tighten it up, just make sure you tighten it evenly and it's firm enough so the handles don't move. Now we're going to put the guard on by the rotor. This has got a pretty important job because it stops any debris flying back your way. So I'm just removing the screws from the holes inside the guard. I'm just removing all these bits from the coupler. Now it's time to decide whether you're going to add the strimmer or the bush cutter. I think I'm going to go for the bush cutter because I'm working at a property at the moment and the grass there is like nearly 4 foot high. There's a little hole on the side of the rotor. The smallest Allen key, you can push that through to keep it in a lock position. Now I'm going to put the blade on. The logo for the blade has to be facing upwards. And you have to really make sure now that the blade is flush with the coupler. If it's not and you tighten it up and try and use it, you're going to get some heavy vibrations. It's just not going to be as effective. Adding the donut washer and the nut. This is a bit of a strange one because the blade rotates clockwise. To tighten it up, you have to turn it anti-clockwise. So here I got one hand on the Allen key, which is stopping the rotor from moving. And I'm going to do this until it's tight enough so there's no play in the blade. And this is the finished build, guys. The harness it comes with feels pretty comfortable. There's a plastic shield on the right hand side and it's got like a little clip where you can attach the strimmer. Considering this is a heavy piece of equipment, the harness makes it so much lighter. 2 handles and a harness gives you quite a lot of control. It feels comfortable and you can maneuver the equipment really easily. The harness comes with an emergency release cord in case you ever need to get it off you quickly. All you have to do is pull the tab and it just drops off. To be honest, I hope I never have to use this, guys, but at the same time I'm glad it's there. I'm working at a property 5 minutes away, so I'm going to get this in the car and I'm going to take you guys with me. Okay guys, so we're here, but before we can use the strimmer, we need to mix up some of that 2-stroke fuel. So the ratio for this mix is 1 part oil to 40 petrol. I'm going to fill it up to the first line with petrol. And that second line, that little sliver, is for 2-stroke. I'm going to put a little dash of 2-stroke oil in there, right up to that second line. Now I'm just going to give it a good shake. Now I'm going to drop that petrol 2-stroke mix into the fuel tank of the Strimmer. There's a little bulb here right underneath the choke, and you have to press that probably around 6 to 8 times, or until you start to see some petrol moving around in the tubes. Now we've primed the engine. Next thing we need to do, grab that little red lever there and move it all the way to the left. So that's the choke, and you need to put that on every time you do a cold start. Now I'm going to give it a go at ×5 speed, save you guys some time. I genuinely think that this is worth the £100 markup. You get a lot of power, there's no cords, you can take it wherever you want. Starts up in 3 starts, and it also comes with a 3-year warranty. So as long as you register your Strimmer, you get 3 years warranty for that. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll leave the link in the description for the Strimmer. Let me know in the comments if you would buy one of these. And for more DIY projects and tool reviews, please consider hitting that subscribe button.